Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the EMARSI. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. And as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down below in the description, and you should also see it pop up in the top corner right now. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Discord is a free group communication platform where we are having great discussions about all things to do with trading. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the EMARSI. Before we do, I wanted to put the indicator scoreboard up for everyone to see. So, to date, we have tested 344 indicators, and out of those 344 indicators, 140 of them have been winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set for them. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. But as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you could take any one of those 140 indicators and get out there and start potentially profitably trading the markets with them now. So go back and watch those videos, make a list of those indicators, and get out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with us here as we work on maximizing your trading profits. Alright, and to date we have tested 18 total strategies with a total of 3 winning strategies. So back to today's indicator. It is the EMARSI, and you can see it here on screen. I did make a few slight modifications to this, so it actually has another line, the actual EMA plus RSI line there, and I went in and I changed I turned this off here, and the reason why I turned that off is because the coloration of this line here is the cross of the EMARSI, and so when the EMARSI is above this particular line, the line turns green. When it's below this line, it turns red, and when it is trading with this line, then there's no color or a light gray. And so I went in and I bumped up the color of the green and the red and the weight of it so it's easier to see. So what we're looking for is this line to turn green. We will go long. When it turns red, we will go short. Done many of these before. Not a whole lot to it. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of it. So we pick up the first trade signal right there, and let me double check that this, yeah, that's what I was afraid. That's a really sharp pullback on that tail right there, and unfortunately, that one would have stopped us out. Then we pick up a short right there on that one. And looks like we get almost the same exact thing. A really sharp pullback almost immediately. And stopping us out. Then we pick up a long right there. That one takes off and definitely gets us to take profit. And then over here on this side, we pick up a short on that one right there. And that one would have gotten us to take profit as well. Switch the color on this one. There we go. All right, let's continue on with this here. And so you can consider the break of this to be another or a continuation of a signal, I guess. Let's see. So we pick up one right there. Short side. And that one didn't do too well. Then another one right there. Also to the short side. That one barely squeezed out take profit. Alright, so what I'm going to do here is cut some of the video out so that way things don't get too long. And we'll pick this up when we're closer to the end of the year. Alright, we are almost to the end of the year now. Let's go ahead and finish up these last couple of signals. And I did want to say that I had missed one signal back there at the very beginning. I'll show you here in just a moment. But before, I know Ad Ants, he's watching me. I think it's a he. Ad Ant, you are watching me. I know you're watching me. I know you saw that. And I know you're going to mention it. So I went back and just double checked. Made sure that I was tracking with what it was is where there was a break in the color and then it picked up on the same color again. And so it's actually a continuation that I had missed. All right, before we add these up now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, whether you are a new trader or an experienced trader, highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below. Once you sign up for that, you'll get access to the Patreon only channel on our Discord. It's really super cheap, doesn't cost hardly anything at all, and we're posting some really good advanced information, having some advanced discussions about trading, indicators, strategies, systems, the whole deal in the channel there. Really, really good stuff. Our admin Jay has also put together a rather lengthy list of winning indicators for the MT platforms. And so if you use the MT platforms quite a bit rather than TradingView, then that would be something very handy for you to have. Our admins and the regular members are also posting regular trade analysis, and so they're posting screenshots of the market with areas of support and resistance and where exactly they're entering and exiting trades. Really, really good stuff if you are trying to train your eye to see those ideal market conditions that you should be looking for, or if you're trying to dial in a trading strategy, again, looking for those ideal market conditions. They're growing small accounts really quickly, and so they're really, really showing some good information in there. Like I say, really great stuff. And on top of getting the list of indicators, the patrons also are now getting a list that includes an Excel or it's Google Sheets technically of the strategies that we have tested as well. So I'm starting to keep track of those, which ones were winners, which ones were losers. I have a whole spreadsheet of that is passed on to the patrons. So really good stuff there. All right, back to the indicator here. First, let's take a look right here. This was the signal right here that I was referring to right here, this one. And so we had this losing one right here, and I'd missed this continuation right here, which ended up being a winning signal right there. And so I just wanted to point that out, that I did catch that one once I realized that we were doing the continuation style. All right, get everything in focus here. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, and 34. So we have 34 trades altogether, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15 winning trades. So that is not going to meet the 60% criteria. This one was throwing quite a bit signals. Often when we get an indicator that throws a whole bunch of signals, they tend to not work out too well. This one was kind of like that. It was just throwing signals, any shift of price action, it was throwing a signal one way or another. And so, yeah, just didn't work out too well. So this one's going to go on the no list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here. If you have not already, like this video, share this video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. So that way you know what indicators we have tested and are testing. Also, there is a link down below to join our Discord server, which is a free group communication platform where we discuss all things trading related. There is also a link down below to TradingView, and if you use that link to TradingView to sign up for an account, you will save a little bit of money. And lastly, there is a link down below to sign up for Patreon. Please sign up for the Patreon and support the channel the best way you can.